wa bona ge nke bile gore ke kgone go opela letšatšing le le kgone go taba ya ka le Mankoko baby ke tla thoma ka go opela koša not yet Uhuru go ba ka opela there's music in the air bjale ka baka la gore modimo ka se go fedilo ka moka e re ke ditlogelele batho ba e leng gore ke beng ba tsona mmago a tswang pitšeng le kgono le ke ikwa ke hlomphegile kudu go thobela fm taba ya ka le Mankoko baby re tshwere mosadi gare ga basadi mosadi o e leng gore ka mminong ka go diragatšeng a ke tsebe gore re tla ditlogelela mang dilo tšo ka moka ka baka la gore ke tše a di antšeng letsweleng ke yena e leng gore wa betše ba bangwe re lo bona ba kgone ge re bolela ka go ya exile o di tseba bokaone mothong ge re bolela ka go kopantšha bobose le go opela le lenyalo ke yena matswang gona re bolela ka mang re sa bolele ka kapa mosadi gare ga basadi mosadi e leng gore ge ke mo lebeletše ke re o fetile mengwe masomeseswai ke ra go kgonege re bolela ka mama Lethambulu mama
Thobela
ke ikwa ke hlomphegile kudu go ba le lena le kgono
batho ke a itumela le nna go ba mo gae mo
wow
ka ke gae phe
ke gae ke a go swane le mengwaga mentšintše le feditšeng le le ka kuantše re no kwa ba rawa go na le motho ba re ke mama Lethambulu go na le monna ba re ke ntate Kifa Semenya re sa tsebe gore ke bomang gona bjale re le bona ka sebele
no go monate go ba mo gae go monate I mean ra itumela le rona to be here it was nice being overseas but home is best
yeah
home is best
okay nna ke a tseba gore lena le belegetšwe ka Soweto le ka re gopotša gore go be go le bjang ge le gola go tšwa ka Soweto
because Soweto it was a very nice place and ene le bomme le nina le bomme le bontate ba na le tlhompho ba itlhomphang and I think that's where we got to learn respect and understand that bophelo ke go tlhompha motho gore motho ke motho wa modimo so that's where we learned and they taught us a lot of things the teachers in Soweto mo dikolong they were very 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 strict
wow
and in le gore ha o le ngwana wa ga o tsebe gore any mother or any father in the streets is your mother and father so we learned a lot of things from that and I enjoy Soweto I still do today I go high and I marvel at the people tenacity ya bona ka go ratana yes I really do
let's ba mama ke le hlomphela selo se se teng go na le mosadi o leng gore ka gare ga go diragatša ka gare ga boopedi o tsebile lerato gore ke eng a sa le mengwageng ya ko tlasana ke a tseba gore le be le na le mengwaga le sometsela ntate Katse Brakatse a na le mengwaga e masomababedi ge a tlo bona wena ke nyaka go tseba gore go diregileng ka baka la gore nna ke noka gore be le mogwera wa buti fela wena bo sa tsebe ka nako eo
yes actually unale as you say nearly chomia brother work and I didn't know anything about that the bona fela motho ke ena dumedisa brother ka batswa ba tsama and umpleletsi later I think we were in London ka King Kong I remember your brother was my friend and I told your brother gore bona one day ke tla go nyala I was shocked because I didn't really know him I said, and at that time, I said, and I said, oh, fun, you should have told me that.
Give it to me,
yeah, but he was like he's funny.
Okay.
He's a good person.
Wow.
And I have great respect for him.
Mama, now I know that there's a story of an apple.
Oh, please no.
What happened?
I really don't. Oh, it's a very long story. It's a very, very long
Let's just try and cut it short.
Well, it is hard for me to cut it short because it has to start from the beginning in order for you to understand.
What happened.
No, we were in the train. It's at King Kong, at Johannesburg. So we were on our way to Durban that time. And I was looking outside, through the window. And I didn't even know he was there. And when I turned around, he was there eating an apple. And he was on another coach. And he asked me if I wanted to, I wanted a piece of the apple.
Yeah.
I was kind of surprised, but I thought, listen, why not?
Yeah.
Try it. I throw it. I said, okay, throw it and see if I can catch it. And the train was moving.
Phew.
And he threw the apple and I caught it.
Oh.
And I beat it.
Yeah.
More on the side, and I sent it back to him. And I didn't know that was the beginning of this whole saga.
Wow. Okay. Yeah, ke ikole tabe ya Apollo gore ile ratho le thomile gona mo ka ba ke iputisa gore Apollo.
I don't know. I don't think he's that dilemo, but I think he had ideas. Yeah,
okay. Ke nyaka re bolele ka taba ya tour ya lena ya Europe. Got the musical King Kong.
Oh, that was wonderful. Wonderful. I mean, wonderful for all of us. And nearly an experience for Rona, you know. And that's the city of London was really amazing to us, you know, because we know where we came from. It was not the same. But the shows were fully packed every night.
Yo.
You know, and the show was doing very, very well. But papers, because, you know, like we were not really that political, Rona. We understood what was going on in South Africa, but we did not deeply understand what was happening.
Yeah.
So one of the papers in London saw the show and they loved it, but they said the only thing that is missing about the show is that they are not telling the whole story.
Oh.
You know, they dance very well, they sing very well, but the story actually they're not telling.
Okay.
And Rona were expecting the story to be told in full, so that we understand and were educated by that. And so we ran for a year, and the second year, but you know, we just have to stop because we don't want to lie to our people, you know. But the show was pretty well received.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mama, ke imagine ge show e fela, tour e fela le boa ka South Africa. You were happy to be home. Ge fitla hae di policies tša apartheid tša semorafe tša re back to exile.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, you know, I always wanted to go to America for one reason. And I tseba Miriam Makeba a lot.
Yeah.
You know, I was very young, and she used to make me cry. Yena le Dorothy Masuka. She used to really make me cry when she sang on that time Nelly Radio Bantu.
Yeah.
Yeah, SABC. And so I kept on writing to her, you know, sending my letters through manager ya gagwe ko United States.
Okay.
And finally she got the message. And she said, yes, I remember her. But then Caiaphas went to America before me, a show called Sponono. And that's where he got the opportunity to meet with Miss Makeba. And ask her that I tell her what I said, that I wanted to help me to come out of South Africa, you know, and eventually it happened. You know, they maybe took about 2 to 3 years. Miriam sent a ticket, and I was in the United States.
Wow.
Yeah.
O bana le pelo e botse ka baka la gore ke kwele taba ya gore ke ena mama Miriam a le reketseng ticket. Ya gore le kgona go bona na le ntate Caiaphas.
Yeah, actually she did that. But you know, Miriam was very generous.
Yeah.
Extremely generous, and I learned a lot of things from her. But one night when I went to see her perform in one of the clubs called Birdland, I was not expecting that. You know, I was just like, I knew she could sing, you know. But when she actually, let me tell a story. A lot of people don't know this. Bill Cosby, the late Bill Cosby, actually opened for Miriam Makeba.
You
know what they call curtain raisers.
Yeah, the
curtain raisers. And there was another musician also from Cuba who opened for Miriam.
Yeah.
Then she was the last one to come out. And she had a gown that was just so amazing. I'd never seen anything like that before. she was just so stunning. And her hair was you know, she had short hair. She was like a princess. Wow. And she sang Qongqothwane. And then, you know, just the whole thing, she actually made me say to myself, that's what I want to be. Wow. Exactly like that. I want to be a performer like that. And I never stopped.
Mama, ke tseba gore magareng ga wena mama Lethambulu, mama Miriam, Brayuma Sikela, mama Dorothy, Ntate Kifas, go be go na le go ngwalelana dikoša. Ke mang na ngwalela mang, mang a ngwalela mang?
Well, Nali Kaifas. Well, now I had I really don't know what to call it because you know, go high.
Okay.
Re gola ka music. Ntate mogolo wa ka Neli o na re now petsa bana ba gagwe. My mothers and my money and stuff like that. So that I knew. But when I got to America, we were kind of stuck because we were doing dipina tsa go gae, no tse tsibiwang gagolo mo gae. But we started finding our way around that, you know, because we realized that, you know, like we have to come up with new things. We have to change the music. We have to go somewhere with it. Yeah. We have to make people like find another angle to this music, you know. So we sometimes we would work together, sit on the piano and work together. And sometimes I would say, I don't like that.
Yeah.
And then she said, okay, I'll change it, you know. But she played a very important role in connecting, you know, because she's still in Vienna. He knew how to play the piano a little bit. And I didn't even know. But I knew the bass lines, the melodies, you know, more in my music.
Okay.
And for instance, when we did Music in the Air, he wrote the melody, but I did not like the bass player. I didn't like the bass line. So ke move go na le teacher mo ne ke mo rata mo gae mo ne boreng ke Mohapelwa. And I loved the bass lines that he had, and I said to him, why don't you use Mohapelwa's bass lines, because they are very nice, especially in ballads. And then he said, okay, let's try it.
Yeah.
And when he heard it, he said, oh yeah, that is nice, you know. So that's how we worked in Nalian.
Okay.
That's how we worked.
Napile ke tseba re gona le batho ba bang ba ileng gore ke dikakapa ba bang ba kano ba ba fitile lefaseng la ka keno. Batho ba go sona le ba Quincy Jones, mama o rekile le bona bo Harry Belafonte, bo Sidney Poitier, bo Michael Jackson. Re sa le ba le kakapa e leng monna wa ga gona bjale. Go be go le bjang go shoma le batho ba mohuto?
Hey, it was nice, really. Especially Quincy.
Wow.
Quincy, no, I take it back. Belafonte was a master. Was a master on stage, and he taught me a lot of things.
Yeah.
You know, he used to do unatswa asheba audience young, and I used to wonder about that. Why moto atsama backstage a check audience every night. So one day I just broke out. I said, listen, Mr. Belafonte, why do you do this? You always go backstage and check your audience. Why do you do that? He said, you know what, Letta? I do this because the audience is very important. I just want to see what the kind of people are inside. I don't know them, but I want to know that how I can satisfy them. What I can do to make them happy. And I want them to listen to my music, listen to my messages, and by the time they leave here, they all think in one mind. And then I said, how do you do that? He said, because songs make people remember.
Yeah.
And when they leave, they say they hum the same song, and that means you have united people without you knowing.
Wow. Ke nyaka re bolele ka koša ye mama Not Yet Uhuru.
Okay.
Nna ke e ke dutse ke le tikithele ditše ke re ka baka la gore o rile go boa ka mo gae ka morago ga mengwaga masomepedi tshela wa bona ka re seemo ga se a fetoga ga se a kaonafala e tlile bjang koša ye?
E tlile ka when I arrived from New York, ke tlhoga ko airport ya go gae mo gae mo. And I was excited, you know. Airport, of course, nelinyane, so we go, okay, but you know, we will get there.
Okay.
So we kena, ke tumela ke bona motho wa go gae, you know. I was quite excited, and we went into the car. Oh, mani una leading at Lada and some of my relatives, and we got into the car, and we drove to Alexander.
Okay.
And I was more than shocked because I didn't like what I saw.
Okay.
The life was not what I expected.
Yeah.
And I said, I don't know what to say. It's just like shocking, you know. It was like a war has been there, has crossed there, has devastated people, you know. And of course, we spent the night hiding back, and then I couldn't wait to go home. And the next day, ka tlhapa ka kenya diaparo tsa ka kena mo tseleng ka bona Orlando. All the things that I knew were here in Orlando, because in Orlando we used to have flowers, the fences around, but everybody had a yard and hedges, the roses. We used to compete with that.
Wow.
You know, we didn't have good roses; they were bad. But what I saw was completely devastating. And mama agile mikhuhu ka morago.
Okay.
And I couldn't understand. I said, mani ako mbolelle. Mayanong mikhuhu ba ntse ditlhare kaofela. You know, we used to have flowers, we used to have trees, we used to have fruits that we got from the trees. You know, go gae ne rena bana di figs, di appelkoos, di perekisi, all that. And all the trees were gone. And I said to mani ako mbolelle, why little city ditlhare? Ditlhare must like differ oxygen. You know, you can breathe, and you get food out of that. Mani said, you know what? Yes, we understand that. He said, I understand that, but people were looking for housing, and we could not let batho ba robale mo strate. So we had to build Mikuku. And I was so sad, you know, I felt bad because I loved the trees, but I understood. So it was very hard, and that's why Noteturo said, no, that I have to write something, I have to say something, I have to let people know, change. You know, much as we are here, we are free and all that. Things have not changed for the people. And we have to change the mindset yabatu. And also we must deliver to the people. And that was my address.
Ka gare ga dikoša tše le di opela mama le ka no ba gona le tša go tshwana le bonotete uhuru ka baka la re be le bona gore a re a tlho re fitlha mo re nyakang go fitlha gona e fela bona le ntate Caiphus dikoša tša lena tše dintšhi ke tša marato seo se tlhotlheletswa ke
well, you know, like, you can't live without it.
Wow.
You know, it's what gives you strength, and into a ibalulekile yazi ibutlhokwa gagolo, and also to encourage couples to baskatenega.
Okay.
Because life is very difficult. You know, so ne re batla gore while re tseba gore ba mo struggling, the more ba kopana monna le mosadi ba galegae is progress.
Okay.
Yeah, that's how we looked at it, and so that's why we wanted to talk about that.
Okay, a re lebele di-performance tše e leng gore lebile le tšona le ntate Caiphus ka gare ga tše dintšhi tše lebileng le tšona ke e feng e tee e leng gore ba on top of your list gore ye yona e bile the best?
I can't tell. I can't tell. I think I really don't know. I think our performances were, we just wanted to make people happy. So we were not calculating that, okay, this one was the best or that one was, yeah. We were just happy to do that.
Okay. Ke na le go iputsisha gore ka gare ga mengwaga e le rataneng o le boletse le thomile le jola la phosetsana diapolo lerato la gola la fitlha mo le fitlhileng gona bjale le ba babedi le sa le ba babedi le gona jwalo le gona jwang mama?
Hey, ra khona ha re khone but ra khona. We believe that you have to be an example to the young ones. Lenyalo le tata, yes. There are a lot of things people and munna le mosadi haba harina the same moods. We really didn't more kwatang ting and stuff like that. But we don't take that to bed.
Okay.
We also know the responsibility ya kuba married because there's a culture involved here, and you want to spread that culture. That it is good, it's difficult, it's hard, but it is good.
Wow.
So we want young people to know that, and it's true though, because it can be very difficult to maneuver and manage, but we do manage because why? Rarapel. Ha kwata le ne ebe ke itse mo tlong ke mo tlogela gore a ka phole ganyane, and le ena ha nkwatisa le na do the same thing, and I come back and you say, listen, hey, we've got responsibility, there are kids out here, they are looking up to us.
Le sa gona go kwata gane ge le godi na ke ra a tsamaya no ra go lokile ke tla bona go bo
listen re kwa santsane re lwana realwan ha lo nega matsogo but ra chika so
okay.
but we come back together.
Mama go botse go boletsana le wena ke nyaka nna le wena re lebelele ka gare ga mmino o tsopotse taba ya culture setso ke nyaka go tseba gore re nyalantšha jwang setso le mmino, culture le music
ora gore
di sepelelana jwang?
How do you differentiate for instance the songs, for instance, if you what you record or what you opela, they say
opela le batho ba banyaka go tsena ka mmino ba bang bana lo itebala gore ke le mangkoko ke na le culture yaka maybe motlhomong ke tsena ka mminong ke nyaka go opela ko shae ke ska lebala ko ke tswang ka baka la ba bang re nyaka go tuma re sa lebele gore o tswa kae. So ke a tseba gore wena o na le this idea ya gore music le culture di tsamaelana jwang?
Di tsamaelana and culture is important gore re strengthen re etse gore bana ba lona, for instance, you must understand gore without the base ya culture nothing moves, and without you understanding that omang omosutu umxhosa umuzulu whatever, that is very important. Starta ka yona pele ebe yona e go tisang gore o be able to do other things and things that dealing also not in your culture, but nagana ka yona pele because it grounds you. It makes you a much better person o itsebang gore mang.
Okay, yes, ke le boga tlhaloso yo mama nke re boele tabeng ya mama le Thambulu mosadi wa ntate Khifa Semenya. Ntate Semenya ke ntate Semenya o mma Semenya e fela sa ipitsa wa Gambulu.
Hey yona taba it's very difficult because and I know a lot of people have asked me that question. The problem go gore nna hane ke kopana le Caiphas and I kopela already and I was already to use a better word probably I was already popular. People knew Mbulu. So when I got married, ba thata for nna go change ntona because I know defense italiano letter and so it became very difficult because even my name was already in places like London, and also my publishing was already in my name. So I ka etsa ka bomo You know, ka etsa ka bobe. It's just that I couldn't change Seminya.
o tshwana le nna ke Mankoko baby ge nke ba Mankoko mamang a se gore nka se tlhompe sefadiso ke a se tlhompa se gona bo dipampiring fela ke nna Mankoko
exactly
okay re ikwešišitše mama ke nyaka gore nna le wena re boele tabeng ya mmino mo e leng gore ge o bo le kua sefaleng go na le batho ba bangwe ba re gore mmino o tswe ka mokgwa o nyakang ke lebelela batho ba le mola crowd o mongwe re ke nagana gore go be go diragalang ge ke thoma koše wena go bo o le sefaleng ke eng se o se naganang gore performance ya gago e be the best go bo le staging
I don't know what best means.
Yeah.
But it just happens. You know, I get on stage and things happen.
Yeah.
Yeah. I truly cannot explain that.
Wow.
You know, I think it has a lot to do Libadimo.
Oh.
Yeah, I think so. I really think so. I don't know, but I think so. Gore ha ke kalama mo stage ke itsebe gore ke mang.
Yeah.
And when I do that, and ke bolela mama gore mama now I'm here. And I'm doing something for people. I think he just says, he just drives me. I don't know, but I really feel the drive behind. Yeah.
Okay. Mama ke nyaka nna le wena re feleletse. SABC ina le lesolo le re le bitsang Ziyakhala. Go kopana di station tsa go bolela ka maleme a re a nyantšeng. Re gantšha ka maleme ya rena. Ke nyaka o romele molaetša go SABC le leadership ya SABC ka botlhokwa ba go bolela leleme la letswele.
Okay. I will definitely do that because I believe in that.
Wa bona re tima dilo ka moka re theletša wena o romele molaetša o.
No, ke tla romela. It's very, very important.
O ka reng gona bjale go SABC?
Ma?
O ka reng gona bjale go SABC ka go tlhompha African languages? Your message to the SABC?
That is very important. And it's not only important more lona le broadcasters. So you should be the first people to use the languages tsa rona.
Yeah.
Because a lokile maleme e re wa rutileng ko dikolong, but maleme a rona a botlhokwa because if ha re wa berekise, the languages are going to die. And we don't want that. We want to continue re bue Sesotho, re bue Sexhosa, re bue Sezulu, and also body language in tsa rona. Re ka ba seba ba sa re utlwa.
Yeah.
Because you know, but ba utlwa everything re buang. But bona sometimes there's a sizable number ya batho isa buing Seesimane, and who are we talking to?
Wow.
You know, who are we talking to? And Lidi Pina Sarona, who are we singing to? You know, because that is an essence ya rona. Ke bophelo mo rona. And go bua Sesotho, it's a blessing. Actually le modimo ile na maketsore. Mara batho ba bona ke ba file maleme.
Yeah.
How come ba le busy ba bua maleme batho ba ba? Really what botsisa nto, and we have to answer that.
Wow.
Because it's a very, very important question.
And
I really support it 100%.
Mama ke a leboga. Nna le wena re fitlhile mafelelong ke nyaka molaetša wa mafelelo ebe wo o lebišang go Thobela FM. Nna le wena ga re dula fase mo o boletse gore be le fela le theletša Thobela FM o le kwa dikoša tša lena di bapalwa. Ke molaetša mofo ka o romelang go Thobela FM?
Hey, go na le obuto mong go Thobela FM. I can't remember his name. Ona Tsanuka music work a lot, and he liked a song in Tower of Power, which I used to do a lot.
Wow.
And I used to wonder about him because this country, Aruna, and this out Tsanuki music work. But he consistently played the music for me. And I thank him, and I thank Thobela FM because every time ke mamela music, like ena mo dilong tse, like ena mo Sesothong, and it's wonderful.
wa mafelo molaetša o tla go nna jalo ka Mankoko baby a ke re ba re ngwana o laya ke motswadi wa gagwe ngwana molao o tša ka gae bjalo ka motswadi la ya nna
I don't get a whole lot of upihila. Or very spady, and your hair is braided, and everything is perfect.
Wow.
So continue like that because it's important for the young people like yourself look at you and say, "This is what I want to be. I want to be like that."
Ke a leboga mama.
Yes.
Ke lebogile good ke ka mogwe leng gore ka nnete re felletša le ka kapa mosadi gare ga basadi a nna ke ikwa ke tlhomphegile letšatšing la lekgono goba ke boletšane le mama le Thambulu ka tsotlhe tše e leng gore leeto la gagwe o di hlalositše tsotlhe tše e leng gore o di dirile nna ke mogwaša ke malela go tuma go buša sa go lele go fitlhela re kopana gape nakong e tlang tata